I launched my AI cat channel 30 days ago and I learned way more than I expected. Some lessons saved me money, and the last one honestly scared me. If you're just starting your YouTube journey or trying AI tools on a budget, this video will help you avoid my mistakes. Lesson 1. Don't rush into paid AI tools. You might waste money. When I started, I signed up for almost every free tool I could find. Canva, Meta AI, Grok, Sync.co, 11 Labs, CapCut, Google AI Studio, you name it. Some tools give free trials and some start charging you after you used up free credits. If I had paid for everything up front, I would have wasted at least $20 in my first month, and that's before I knew which tools I'd actually use. Right now, 95% of my workflow is Gemini, Grok Imagine, Google AI Studio, CapCut free version. And that's it. They're all free as of today, by the way. Lesson 2. Avoid annual plans when tools change this fast. I almost paid for a yearly subscription for a couple tools because it looked cheaper. But here's the truth other YouTubers warned about. AI tools are changing weekly. What you lock into for a year may become outdated in a month. If you're a new creator, stick with monthly or free tools first. Pay annually only when you know the tool fits your workflow long term. Lesson 3. Editing takes much longer than you think. I've used professional editing tools at work, but for YouTube, I wanted something lightweight and keep it as simple as possible, so I stick with CapCut's free version. But even with experience, editing still took longer than expected, especially long-form videos. I spent roughly 1 to 2 hours for editing 1 minute worth of content. I experience flow when I'm creating content, and I don't realize how much time goes into trimming, captioning, selecting visuals and music, syncing visuals, etc., until my neck, shoulders, back, and wrists start aching. Lesson 4. Document everything. Screen recordings are gold. This one hit me hard. I thought sharing what I've learned would be easy, since I'm already spending the time learning to use the tools. But learning to use the tools and sharing what I've learned are two tasks. When I went back to record tutorials, I realized I didn't record the process I went through or the error I ran into so I could alert viewers. So sometimes I had to repeat the whole process just to show it properly. And even worse, some AI tools are unpredictable. If you try again, the error might not appear. Now I keep a record of my screen, my prompts, my notes as soon as I learn something. And of course, documentation takes time. Lesson 5. Checking analytics too often can drive you crazy. When I uploaded my first 3 videos on day 1, they gained thousands of views overnight. I got hooked checking analytics. But checking within the first 24 hours is mostly meaningless. YouTube is still learning where to push your content. Now, my rule is upload, check once or twice, then move on to making the next video. Lesson 6. The algorithm gets confused with mixed themes. My channel has 2 types of viewers, people who love AI cat videos and people who want AI tool tutorials. That's great for humans, but for the YouTube algorithm, not so much. I uploaded this AI cat short video on a couple of days before day 30. Within 48 hours, it got 1 single view. 1! Days later, it got 3 more views. I thought YouTube stopped pushing my content because I published AI tool tutorials before that AI cat video. What I learned, YouTube works hard to match your videos to the right audience, but when your channel covers multiple topics, it needs more time to figure out who to show your videos to. Analytics helped me understand who's actually watching, and that helps me plan better videos. I'm still experimenting it though. Lesson 7. The shocking part, the stress I didn't notice. This one surprised me. My smartwatch showed my stress levels climbing slowly, even days after my first upload, and my sleep quality dropping. It showed that I had more stress when creating content for this channel than working at my full-time job. 2 weeks after my channel launch, it told me I had a lower than usual heart rate variability, which prevented me from getting recharged during sleep. It also showed that I didn't rest even when I was watching TV. Turns out, my mind was always thinking about video ideas, AI tools, and analytics. It felt energized, and my brain had been super active, but my body was showing warning signs. I didn't realize that even positive excitement counts as stress. This made me understand why creators burn out. I had to stop thinking about my channel close to bedtime. So, after 30 days on YouTube, here's the truth. Creating is exciting, but it can quietly take a toll on your time, your brain, and your health. I'm learning to find a better balance between work, life, and this YouTube adventure. If you have tips to reduce stress or improve sleep, please drop them in the comments. I could really use them. Thanks for being on this journey with me. See you in the next video.